Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, we have a classic and mouth-watering recipe to share with you, pineapple upside-down cake. But before we dive into this delicious treat, let's uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this iconic dessert. Fact 1. Did you know that pineapple upside-down cake has a long and interesting history? It became popular in the United States during the early 20th century when canned pineapple became widely available. The cake's signature upside-down style, with the fruit on the bottom, was a way to showcase the vibrant tropical flavor. Fact 2. The pineapple not only adds a burst of tangy sweetness to the cake but also carries some symbolic meanings. In many cultures, pineapples are seen as a symbol of hospitality, warmth, and friendship. So, serving a pineapple upside-down cake to your guests is like extending a warm welcome to them. Fact 3. Pineapple upside-down cake has variations around the world. While the classic version features pineapple rings, maraschino cherries, and a buttery caramel topping, different regions and cultures have put their own spin on it. Some use other fruits like peaches or apples, while others add spices like cinnamon or cardamom for an extra layer of flavor. Fact 4. Pineapple upside-down cake has stood the test of time and remains a beloved dessert. It not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also offers a delightful combination of textures: the tender cake, the juicy pineapple, and the sticky caramelized topping. It's a treat for all the senses. And now, the moment we've been waiting for, let's indulge in this pineapple upside-down cake. Absolutely divine. The caramelized pineapple, the moist cake, and the hint of nostalgia in every bite make this cake a true classic. That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed learning these fascinating facts about pineapple upside-down cake and are inspired to give it a try. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delightful recipes and unknown food facts. Until next time, happy baking!